Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove your house pictures from Zillow. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to log into your Zillow account. So go to the Zillow website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. Then the following step is to access your listing. So navigate to the rentals section or my listings tab. Depending on the Zillow interface, locate the specific listing from which you want to remove the pictures and click on it to access its details. The next step is to edit the listing. So look for an edit listing or manage listing option on the listing page. Click on it to enter the editing mode for your listing. The next step is to remove the picture. So within the editing mode, find the section that displays your listings photos. Locate the photos you want to remove and look for an option or icon that allows you to delete or remove the pictures. Click on this option for each photo you wish to remove. The last step is to save your changes. So after removing the desired pictures, review the rest of your listing details to ensure they are accurate and up to date. Once you are satisfied, save your changes by clicking the save or update button. Your listing will be updated and the selected pictures will no longer be displayed. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.